So I'm using the wind to snatch the boards off, man. Shit, it getting there. I gotta work hard. I gotta work smart, not hard. So, nigga, they motherfuckers wore me out, Jack. I ain't gonna lie. But we getting there. We getting there. Okay. I got it. Got it all cleared up. Put my new boards in. So far, we coming along, man. When you do this shit by yourself, dog, you appreciate it more. Ain't gotta worry about it. I know they be done. I know they be gonna be done right, and if it done wrong, I can't blame nobody but myself. You feel me? So like right now, I'm doing all this shit by myself, and I ain't gotta worry about nobody trying to borrow my shit. You ain't help me put the bitch back together. So yeah, let's go. I'm tired. I'm tired. Trust me, I'm tired. My back hurting, my head hurting, my ass hurting, everything hurting. But hey man, that's life, dog. Let's go. Yeah, so I gotta go get one more board. I'm one board short. I gotta go get one more board and put in there. Probably trim it up a little bit. I would use one of the old boards, but I really don't want to. I don't want it to look different. I'm just pick it like that. Then I fill this bottom gap up. Finna go ahead and do that with them boards right there. Cut them in half and put them in the bottom right there. That's what I'm finna do now. Then probably gotta run to Home Depot and grab me one more board. But man, look at that. Yes, sir. Okay, I got it worked out. It took an old board, flipped it over. And stuck it in the middle. It's a little short, but I'll cut a little piece off and add it right there. Cause then where that metal part gonna go across it anyway. Yeah, so that metal part gonna go across it anyway. You ain't gonna really see it. But yeah, man. Got my trailer up there. I'm looking good, man. Now I'm finna do this bottom part here. I'm gonna get my skill saw out and stuff and get the measure and get the cut. Yes, sir, ski. Okay. I got it on now. The little piece right here, the little metal piece, I gotta recut. I gotta cut this some more. I gotta cut that some more because I gotta have a gap in it so that part there can slide in now. And that breaks down on now, then I wheel it back down. I'm gonna wheel it back down. And man, she'll be good to go. Man, but yeah, man, first time doing a trailer, man. Just time. It's all it take, a little time. A little time and willpower. But see how I clean up as I go. I clean up after myself, man. I clean up after I go. So, yeah, man, we there. Just restained it again. I'm painting next. I'm finna chill for a minute right now. I'm tired, man. But yeah, I got this on now. But you see how that line gotta be straight and have a gap in the middle. So I'm gonna go through the jig. I'm gonna go through the saw and cut that off so that can slide in between the cracks. And that piece of metal scrap down here, and then I'll weld it on right there, and then I also got some screw holes in it. I'm gonna screw it down to the boards and into the frame. And like I say, I gotta put them screws into the frame. I got them screws for it. Then I'm gonna pressure wash it real good, and I'm gonna repaint it black. But shit, I'm done, dog. I'm done. Nigga proud of himself. I ain't lying. Yes, sir, ski. And they go all my wood that came off the trailer. I cleaned up all my mess. I don't play that. Clean up all my mess. Cleaned up everything, picked everything, go put it on there, picked up all my little broken nail, put it in the trash, and man, I don't play that. Now where I stay, I'm finna take this here, go put it in the back of the land and burn it on my trash pile back there. But yeah.